guys, welcome back to Mom and Little Ones. And so here you can see Vihan is sitting there and he has some magnet tiles with him. Those are magnetics. Can you just show them, Vihan, what is it? These two things stick together, okay? So now Vihan is getting quite obsessed with this recently. So there are three different kind of shapes, two shapes, and one are two different types. Like one is a straight triangle, you can see that, and one is a smaller one. And then we had square, but in different color coding. So this time I thought, why not, if he's loving this much, let me introduce a game to him. He doesn't know about it. I've just written it in paper. I'll show it to you guys. You can be clear about it. So this is the sheet which is there. I need to explain him here clearly. Vihan, can you just hold it so that we can show it to everyone? Yes. So you can see I have marked a square, a small triangle, again square with different colors. The color coding is given and the numbers are also given. Like small green, square green stands for 8. Small triangle purple stands for 7. Small square blue stands for 5. Small triangle orange stands for 6, and that is on how we have done it. Now he has to, I've given it A, B, C, D. So he has to pile and set it for us. Okay, Vihan, so I'll just show it to you how you have to do. For example, I need 8 and 7. Can you just turn around the paper so that it is clear to you? Put it down. So what is 8, Vihan, here?
Green square.
Okay, 8 is green square. I'll zoom into the paper. Yes. 8 is a green square. And 7 is what, Vihan?
Purple small triangle.
Yes, so you need to place this in line. Okay?
One.
Place it in line.
Okay, how you say?
So just remove the other two. Yes. And we need to form, either you can form a shape together. Hold on, yeah. Either you can form a shape together, Vihan, or else you can set them in a line or in a column wise also. Okay? So can you just show us some example? You can remove the other pieces and you can start it with the 4 examples which I have given, A, B and C and D. So he'll show it to you once he's done so that he can enjoy also. Okay, let's start. So he's sorting it right now. He needs to sort out different shapes which is only required and keep those on the table. Other he has to remove.
This is also good thing.
Yeah, sorting. This is also good. So Vihan, sorting is ready.
Yes,
you have taken out finally.
Yeah.
Okay, so now first code is, can you just mention as the code? A. Yes.
Is how will I read this?
6843.
6843254.
57.
Oh,
That's 57.
okay.
So you give the paper to me. And now you try and remember what was the 6th one.
6 1.
In this you can guys add this also. I'm trying to make him visualize and learn it. If he could, then he can try it out. So once again you can go through it and have a color coding, which one is 6, which one is 8 and 7, and then you can place it accordingly. Use your brain what you can do.
This is 8. It means 9. This is 6. This is 7 and this is 8.
8, 7, 6. Okay, next. You place the things together.
Okay. Then it is this blue. This is over here. This is like this. Then orange has been done over here. Red can be placed over here. Yellow can be placed over here.
So will you remember which one is which?
What?
Just tally it so that we can start up. Guys, I'm just going to remember so that he can memorize it and use his brain which color coding was what. And then he can create a color. Now you are set?
Yeah, set.
Okay, now I'm giving you an exam. Can you just pass it on to me? Okay, your code is, yeah, this is an interesting and fun game. So guys, the first code is 6843257.
6843257.
Let's see guys, let's see.
6.
You have to listen. 6843257.
8. Then you have 4. 4. 3. This is 3.
257.
2 5 2. 5 7.
Wow, that's a beautiful arrow. Okay, Vihan, you are ready?
Yes.
So let's check. The first one is 6. So 6 is orange triangle. Yes, okay. Then is 8. 8 is green rectangle. Okay. 4 is
Green rectangle.
sorry, triangle. Square. Sorry. 4 is yellow. Okay, square. 3 is red square. Okay, done. 2 is the big triangle. Very good. And 5 is blue square. And 7 is 7 is
Yeah, that.
the purple triangle. Yay! So finally he has got it. Now we'll record the other ones. Let's see if he can do it. And we have other games also.
Yeah.
And 7. Just check one more time and see. So you put up. It looks like a duck on the side. I can say maybe a big bird or a big tail over it. So let's check once more behind. And we'll go okay. 8, 5, 4, 6, 3, 2, and 7. Are you okay? Sure. 100%? Yay, got it. Finally, guys, this is correct one because you know the both triangles are this. So let's see. 8 is again green, 5 is blue, 4 is yellow, 6 is orange, and then 3 is red, and 2 is green big triangle, and 7 is the purple one.
Yes.
So guys, this way you can give more coding to them. I'll just complete the other ones. Till then you all can keep watching. Yes. So finally, Vihan, you had fun trying this out. Good memory game, right? We can continue playing this game with Magna tiles, huh?
Yeah.
It's fun. Okay, guys, the next game which I have is this. So you can see I have given him all the shapes. Now I'm going to add, for this I'm not giving any coding. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to teach him maths with this. I'll tell you how. So guys, finally my sheet is ready and I have given him, I'll give him the numbers. You can see how big numbers are here. So you can give these addition to your kids and I'm just giving you a sample. For example, Vihan, take one small orange. It is 24.
Okay.
You can even mark it with stickers, guys. Huh? We did not use stickers. So it is maybe difficult, but he has to remember. That's also a game and memory game. One orange is 24, triangle, and one square red, 69. So tell me the value of both together. 69 plus 24.
Okay, 9 plus 4 is 30.
Yes.
3 and 1 carry over. And then we have 2, 6 and 1. 2, 6, 1 is 9.
So the answer is?
93.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you have to be quick, okay, Vihan?
Okay.
Now let's take one more. Vihan, take 80, yellow square.
Yellow square, okay.
It is 88.
88, okay.
One purple, orange triangle, come on.
One orange triangle again.
24. So what is this? This is a house as well.
Yeah.
88.
This also.
Yeah, that was also house. Yeah. So now you have to add 88 and 24.
Then first we have 4 and 8. It is 12.
Yes.
2, 1 carry over.
Yes.
And then we have 24. 2, 1 carry over 8. How much it is? 1 carry over, yeah.
So 8 plus?
8 plus 2 is 10 and 1. 11. 1, 1, 2.
Yay!
It is 112.
Okay. So guys, in this way you can give him many things. Like for example, I'll also give subtraction. Or maybe I will even give multiplication. But these are big numbers. So you can give a small number also. I wanted to try out with the big number because that would be helpful. Now we can take one square green. 99 is the value.
99, okay.
And one red square. 69 is the value.
69 and 99.
Yes.
69 plus
Can you add and tell me the answer?
9 plus 9, 18.
Yes.
1 carry over. And then we have red square is how much I forgot.
69.
69. Okay. 168.
Yes, very
Oh,
good. The
God.
answer is 168. So you can even, guys, you can try it out, and it has to be fast. So right now he's not using, he's just remembering the names, the numbers in his mind and trying to do it. You can even add addition, you can even add anything else. So let's try one more time. Vihan, orange square.
Orange square, okay.
It is 148.
148.
Yeah. And now I want the purple triangle, which is 48. 148 plus 48.
So the first is 16. 8 plus 8, 1 carry over.
Yes.
Then we have 4, 4.
Yes.
Is equals to 8 and 9.
Yes.
9. And here we have only 1. 1, 9.
19 fast.
8.
No, that was 48 plus 48. 19.
196.
Yes. So you need to be fast. One more quick, okay? Now. So guys, we continued this for a long time till we finished different algorithms and calculations given. Now, I would like to tell you all that you can try this with any other object which is readily available at home. Prefer to take the game which your kids love, and I'm sure they will enjoy it to the fullest. This way, you know, they can enhance their calculation power as well. They can calculate fast, and they can have fun, and they can even do color sorting. You can add on many other activities with it. So do not wait for Magna Tiles or anything, just try it out with anything available.
0, 1, 3.
Yay, very good. So did you have fun, Vihan?
Yes, lots of fun.
So it is interesting, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can tell your friends to try it out.
Yes.
Guys, please try it out and let your kids have fun, and Vihan would love to say something. Yeah, say Vihan.
Do try it out and have fun. I actually love Magna Tiles, so I do like this game actually. So it is nice. So friends, do try this out. You will have lots of fun. And just give this video a like and keep watching Mom and Little Ones and their talk show with Vihan all the episodes. Bye.